закинули пару.
This is the report about two members of the Ukrainian 71st Air Assault Brigade who successfully stormed a Russian position with 6 Russians and took 2 of them into captivity.
Грубо говоря, нам дуже, як кажуть, пощастило. Може, удача була на нашій стороні.
Я віддав команду, що здавайтеся. Вони все найбільш переживали, що ми їх там будемо відрізати.
Так.
Спочатку пішло двоє.
Двоє було, так.
Ми вирішили не ризикувати, видвинулися вдвох. А вся інша група була ззаді на тяжкі.
Тихенько зайшли до них. Вони нас навіть не ждали. Закинули пару гранат в бліндаж, тоді вже почали вони виповзати, здаватися. Вони ранені були 300. Вилізли двоє противника, два. В бліндажу оставалося ще 3-4 чоловіка противника. Ми намагалися теж їх викурити.
Почав їхній пулеметчик прямо з бліндажа працювати. Він на ось, бліндаж був тонкий, він прострілювався хорошо, він просто вверх прострілював повністю. Ми туди гранати бросали, їхня мінометка накриття нам прийшлося. Кого змогли, того забрали, кого не змогли, то...
Їх було 6 чоловік.
Їх було 6 там.
А в полон вдалося взяти?
Двох.
Там їх граната покоцала трохи. Вони поранені були.
Ми їм надали там першу медичну допомогу, перев'язали, оббінтували, чим змогли, що в нас при собі було.
Вони за це, що ми їх могли готувати. Один всю дорогу ще казав, що все боявся, що ми його дострелимо. Один точно за гроші, одним гроші, тому що там або долги, або я не знаю, що.
Мені на телевізора дуже багато дивиться.
Для мене це був перша така стичка. Для мене це були перші, з якими я так от придумав, стикнувся.
Я думав, що не перша армія і друга армія.
Так, можна сказати одне, це точно не друга армія світу.
As said, on October 29th, while preparing for redeployment, Russian soldiers of the 1st Battalion of the 1251st Regiment were targeted by HIMARS. Residents of Chuvashia serve in this regiment. The convoy included Kamas and UAZ vehicles. Avdiivka, Ukrainian reality update. What will I say about Avdiivka? To say that something could have been done better to repel the Russians is bullshit, because no one has ever done it better than those who are standing there now. I often hear people say that Avdos cannot be taken because of 8-year fortifications. All that is nonsense. Ask the soldiers where they hold the defense. Now the titanic work of the unit stationed there continues. I am personally proud of these fighters, but numbers are numbers. And even if 20 of the 100 reach the trenches, our soldiers can hardly give them an equal fight because they simply got tired destroying those 80. Russians sent 2 more new brigades in this direction. Unfortunately, their strategic offensive potential is limitless. Only the professional work of artillery and heavy equipment units helps to effectively reduce it, but it is worth remembering. The infantry always has the last word. Secretary of State Antony Blinken's daughter wore a dress in the colors of Ukraine's flag, and his son wore a Zelensky costume. Guys, this video is a work of Aero Ski-Fi team, are in the ranks of the armed forces of Ukraine, which are fighting by repelling Russian aggression. They share these videos with links to a donation account, which they use to fund their team, equipment, repairs equipment, and fuel. So guys, please donate and help them to fight. The link is in the description. Paramedics from the US, Germany, France, and New Zealand came to Ukraine to evacuate wounded soldiers and civilians. They have evacuated over 500 people from the hottest spots. No words can express our gratitude to such people.
We are just preparing the oxygen supply because we have sometimes a bit some differences between Ukrainian oxygen tanks connectors and between European connectors. There's a difference in the size. I'm normally working as a paramedic in Germany, but I'm now, like since April, I started working in Ukraine. I have many Ukrainian friends in Germany, and so I know a bit the country. And when this big invasion started, I was looking for an opportunity to help in the country, and yeah, so I found, I think, a useful job as a paramedic here in Ukraine. We also have to prepare if something happens during the ride with, for example, the airway of the patient. We are prepared for this. We have all the equipment. We have a very experienced doctor. Of course, it's different than in Germany. We don't have those kind of patients in Germany, war-injured people. It's different.
Just a moment.
Okay, we're almost ready. Okay.
Евакуація у нас відбувається як в Київ, як в Вінницю, у Львів. Оскільки нас пацієнтів важкі виконують, ми перевозимо, то це як не більше 5-10.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.